Alright guys, hopefully you can see this. I am going to do an unboxing here. It's a riser block kit for my bandsaw, I think. Ooh, box inside of a box. That's fun. That's always fun. Whoa! Put the knife down, maybe. Doesn't appear to be damaged. About the USA. Styrofoam. Yeah, it comes with a blade also, which is sweet. Comes with the extension bar to mount the top and the bottom back together, a guide rail. I'm sure that's a cheap blade, but it's better than no blade for the moment. The other side, blade protector, safety guide. I don't know what technically that's called, but hopefully that fits. If you got any tips on installing one of these, I know that sometimes there's pins in here, and this is the actual riser block. See, these pins don't fit sometimes, and they say you have to grind it or woggle out that hole a little bit, which is not a big deal, but we'll find out if it fits mine. So that's the actual block. So I can go from now 12 inch or about 6 inches to 12 inches, and this is the other bar that slides the guide wheels and stuff all together. So that's it. That's a whole little kit. Hopefully it works. Stay tuned to find out. I'll probably do a little video of me maybe installing it, we'll see, or just it cutting afterwards. Nothing fancy, just a quick video here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.